for checkup. So I had some jaw deformity before, and the surgery was done in 2013 January, and today is 2024 24th November, and I have come for checkup. And the surgery was absolutely painless and bloodless. I don't have any problem till now, and I think it will go on forever, and I'm very happy that I got a new face, and it's I'm very thankful to the doctor. So you can see how I was used to look before, how I used to look. Just you can check it. Pain or blood during surgery, and it's been 11 years. I have not faced any problem till now. The friends were very happy, and they were first as other people are saying, they are also not able to recognize me, but of course I'm the same person, so they are also very happy. My family is also very happy. So as I already told that my surgery was done in January 2013, and today is 2024, so it's been already 11 years, and as you can see, it's long lasting, and I think it will be remain forever till I'm alive in this planet. So yes, it is long lasting. Of course, it's for your life.
আমার বক্তব্য শুনে আপনি আমার মেয়েকে দেখে আমরা খুব খুশি, আর এর জন্য স্যারকে অনেক অনেক ধন্যবাদ।